clap.
Good day everyone. Today we're going to solve a worded problem using two methods, and these are elimination method and matrix method. First, let us read the problem.
The sum of two numbers is 25. The larger number is one more than twice the smaller number. Determine the two numbers. Part 2.
How about if we're going to solve this worded problem using the matrix? First, let us consider again the equation. Instead of writing it as equation 1 or equation 2, we're going to translate it into a system of linear equation by putting a symbol brace. So we put it here as x plus y equals 25. That is equation 1. Then x minus 2y equals 1. The symbol for this brace becomes the system of linear equation. So solve it using the matrix method. So first thing to do is we're going to transform the system of linear equation into an augmented matrix. How? We're going to put here bracket. So let us try to look with the numerical coefficient of each variable. This is 1, this is 1, so we put it here as 1 and 1. Then 25. Close bracket. Here, positive 1. Other side is, other number is negative 2. Then 1. We put it here as it's like an imaginary line. This is for x, this is for y, and this is for the solution. So what we're going to do when we are going to use the matrix method, okay, or matrix method, we're going to make this augmented matrix into this form 1 0 1 0. Then what will be the solution here? We don't know yet. So later we're going to solve it so that we will able to know. This is for the x, this is for y, and let us state it as letter B. Okay, so how we're going to solve the system of linear equation using matrix method. So step number 1, we're going to cancel or make this 1 as 0. So we're going to, the row 1 is here, subtract to row 2 here. If we're going to use the row 1, we must retain the row 1 on this row. Then let's do the simplification in this process. So 1 minus 1, because row 1 minus row 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. That is the difference. 1 minus negative 2, it becomes 1 plus 2, that is 3. 25 minus 1 is 24. Now our concern is to make this 3 as the same as 1. So this is row 2. We're going to divide the row 2 by 3. So we have now the row 2 as 0, 1, and this is 24 divided 3 is 8. Okay, next we're going to use this row 2 as part of our first number or first row in order to eliminate this 1 becomes 0. So we're going to put it here as row 2. Then what we're going to do to make this 1 to 0, so this is row 2, subtract to row 1 minus row 1. This would be now our second step. Okay, so 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Row 2 minus row 1. 0 minus 1, that is negative 1. 1 minus 1 that is 0. 8 minus 25. 8 minus 25 is negative 17. So again, our concern is to make this as 1. Therefore, we're going to multiply the row 1 by negative 1. So it becomes positive 1, 0, negative 1 times 17, that is positive 17, and 0, 1, 8. We reach now our objective. Okay, so this would be the x, this would be the y, and this would be our solution. So, x times 1, that is x, y times 0, that is 0, equals 17. Therefore, x equals 17. Next, how about to y? We have x times 0, that is 0. Y times 1, that is y. And this is equals to 8. Okay. Then y equals 8. These are now the two steps in order to solve this worded problem or worded problem, which is the number problems. And we use the elimination method and the matrix method. I hope you learned something from this basic explanation or basic discussion on how to solve worded problem using these two methods. That's all.